I was having problems with the AC blower in my sleeper, vibrating real bad, wobbling, shaking a little bit. You see there's cracks around this hub here. Seen after I pulled it out, it was just kind of wobbling on the shaft, the whole thing. Here's a new one. So what you got to do is pull the whole motor out, which I got here, and then take this set screw out. It's a 1/8 inch Allen wrench is what you're going to need, and they've got a hole right here where you can get to the screw. As far as pulling the motor itself out, here in the compartment on the passenger side of the sleeper, there's 3 bolts. One there. It's pretty easy to get to. You're gonna have to use a wrench, a ratchet wrench, and it's a 5/16 socket. The problem is whenever you get those bolts out, you're not going to be able to lift the motor up high enough, put the cage on it, to get it out. And there's normally a piece of plywood that goes here under the flooring, and I actually had to unbolt that. That's what this is here. I had to unbolt that from the inside, lift the mattress, unbolt that, and I will show you that here in a second. I got the squirrel cage on. A couple of quick notes. The flat spot on the shaft right here, that flat spot, that's where the set screw needs to line up with. So just turn it until the set screw lines up and then set it. That's where that hole I was talking about, it goes right through. I got it snugged up. I'll probably do one little, come in from this way and give it a little tug, just for reassurance. And also forgot to mention, whenever I was pulling these bolts out, this insert right here slipped out, and we were able to still get it out, pull the whole insert out of the plastic here, get the bolt taken out of it, and we just kind of put some JB weld and pushed it back in. So that's something you may have to deal with, but it wasn't really that big of a deal. Alright, so now for the test. Everything should be ready to go. It would vibrate like crazy on 4s. No, it used to go, but working good now. Not making any strange noises. Alright, so we can finish her up. Get back together. See, I just got the mattress pulled up right now. Just hold it with my knee or my back. This piece of plywood that goes over there, it's actually separate from everything else. So I guess they made it that way so you can do things like this. So yeah, all it is just pull the mattress up, and there was some screws along here, Phillips head, and there was some here holding this little shelf piece on. I don't even think I needed to take those off. I kept the shelf with the plywood, but I don't see any place they really screw in on that metal over there. So yeah, you can leave that piece on if you want to, but it looks like you can just take these off right here, and then just slide it back, and that gives you plenty of room, all the room in the world to get that motor pulled out. So that's another successful fix.